Today, we will be filming a very inappropriate video about killing and all this different stuff. And if you're 9 or under, you cannot. This is not appropriate to watch this video. But if you're 10 and up, it's completely okay. And there will be people that will be getting killed. And if you love monkeys, and the monkeys will get killed. So do not watch this if you love monkeys. And if you also love me, Ethan Giannini, you shouldn't do this. And this is the person that will be chucking the monkey at me. Yeah! Okay. We will be beginning shortly. And this is false. It's real. So it's really sad. And bye. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah! Oh God! Oh! He's killing me! He's killing me! Ah! Oh! Help! Ah! 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 There! Ah! 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 Oh God! Ah! Ah! Oh my God! Oh, it hurts. Where did he go? Where did he go?
Brains!
You uploaded this video.
Brains!
You're the zombie. Dad, get out of here. I'm not kidding. Oh my God. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where is he? Oh, dude! Bloody murder! I'm dying. And this is the final blow.